All right, so this video is to go ahead and make sure that you understand how to copy slides over from one PowerPoint to another. So here I have my master slides that I'm going to start off with, and we need to go ahead and move over 148 all the way down to 159. Now the easiest way to do that is go ahead and click 148, press and hold down the shift key, and then you're going to also press down the arrow down key. And we're going to go all the way down to the end, and you'll notice that all of these slides on the left hand side are now highlighted in orange. That's what we want. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and you can either do two things. One, press the control button at the same time you press C. So control C, and that has copied it to your clipboard. If you do not have that, okay, and you have a Chromebook, you might need to double tap with two fingers to make a right click. However you do a right click, you're going to go ahead and you can copy there. But see, there's also a shortcut Control C option there. Okay, so we need to copy those. I'm going to go ahead and bring over, this is my the slide that I want it to bring it to, which is 7th period. And I'm going to go ahead and go to my very last slide, and that's 142. So I'm going to go ahead and paste those in there, and I can do it two ways. One, right click, paste, but there's also a shortcut. You can use the command Control V. So Control V, and all those slides are going to populate right there. All right, if you're having any other questions, and we're going to also do not link. Okay, if you have any other questions, please come during a tutoring time. It's best not to ask in the middle of a class how to do something. Please do that during tutoring. Thank you. And that's it.